Good morning everyone, welcome to Tuesday the 20th of December, and this is day 8 of the May Paper Co 2022 Advent Calendar. Okay, so we are in the home stretch. I'm getting quite a few comments about people surprised that I've been able to hold out this long. Yes, I don't know how I did it either. And part of me really just wants to rip into the rest of this, but it's been so fun. It's like having a present every day. Okay, cool. So, day 8. Same size envelope as the A6 notebook, but it's way more squishy. And, like, I can feel ridges. Okay, let's see. I have no idea what it is. Maybe some page flags. Hey, look at you cute thing. Look at these colors. Okay, so we've got transparent page flags. God, I'm getting good at this. We've got 60 sheets in total. Both sections, so we've got 2 colours, the rose quartz and the cloud grey in the square. They are 50 by 50 millimetres each, or 2 by 2 inches, and looks like we get 30 sheets of each. And I'm one of those people that I like checking out what these colours look like on white paper. Let me see if I can find some. Okay, so I've just got some, this is actually a pre-cut personal wide insert paper. Let's take a look. Because they're transparent, when they're all together, the colour looks different and can be deceptive. I mean, either way, I love these. So that's your rose quartz. And the sticky, I don't know if you can tell, but the sticky goes almost all the way, like about halfway down the actual page flag. So it's going to get a really good anchor, and they are super, super duper sticky. So that is gorgeous. And this size is definitely not in the main shop. So definitely exclusive. I really hope she starts bringing out this size, because this is a really nice size. I really like it. I think on a personal insert, it might take up a little bit too much real estate. But in a personal wide or a B6, you could get away with a couple of these on the same daily layout, for example. And yes, I'm still debating personal versus personal wide, and I still haven't shown you the personal planner that I bought. But I finally got the second last piece of everything yesterday. I'm just waiting for one more thing to arrive, and then I can start setting everything up. But anyway, that's not what you're here for. This is what you're here for. Okay, so this is day 8, the transparent shape duo in rose quartz and cloud grey. I'm excited about this one. The colours, I think the grey is the only one that fits in the colour palette I'm planning for next year, but I could be tempted. All right, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, we got a new video coming out every day until the 25th, or Christmas Day, and so far the votes are leaning towards an extra long wrap-up video on Boxing Day, or the 26th of December. I realised this morning I'd written 26th day and not 26 DEC, but anyway, obviously I'm under-caffeinated when I'm doing these things. Have a good one, stay safe, I will catch you later. Bye.